Hi guys and welcome. If you always wanted to build your own website or landing page and you don't know which platform to choose to make that happen, definitely this video can be handy for you, because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need to build your own landing page or website really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts. And before I've started, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get that link and get access to this platform straight from this video. And this is the most convenient way. And of course, I saw all those 1 hour, 2 hour long tutorials on YouTube, and I don't want to waste your time. So it's much better to spend that time to physically build your own website. That's why we're gonna jump straight to business. First of all, you need to press the link in the description. You'll be on this page and you need to get started or sign in, and it can be done with a Google account or with a Facebook. So I'm not gonna show you the process. I have an account, that's why I'm jumping inside. That's how it looks, and you need to press create a new site. The platform will ask you what kind of website do you want to build. It can be site for business, online store, beauty and wellness. So the main topics that most used. You can also get your website done automatically, and this is also great and incredible. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you, just answering a couple questions, or you can build it with a template, and that's what I want to show you actually, because all the editing features are pretty the same. And if you'll find out how to manage things inside the editor, you'll be able to create everything by yourself, not automatically. So there are a lot of templates, really a lot of templates. They are already pre-built, and you need to just a little bit customize them to your purposes, and that's pretty it. You'll get a site that will work properly, that will be professionally built, that will look fantastic, and that will be efficient, really efficient. So before choose a template, you need to choose type of your business, like business and services, store. What kind of site do you want to build? Because it will save you a lot of time of editing. Actually, if you didn't found the proper solution for you, you can use blank templates and you can build it up from scratch, or from minimal layout, classic layout, strip, header layout, one page, and so on. So let's go to all templates back. Let's use this one. Just it doesn't matter to show you on which template show you all the editing features, because everything is built with the blocks. Everything is built with the strips, as it's called here in this platform. And these sections, you can move them around. You can combine them between other. And the main point that you need to have like 6 or 5 blocks, and I'll show it to you. Okay, some kind of simple website, and this is pretty great. Let's go to discover the button site, the site menu, settings. Accordingly, settings, the zoom out and reorder. Let's press that button so you'll understand that you have you have the section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, and you can move them around, move it up or down, yeah. Or you can delete all those if you don't want, or you can like duplicate the section that you want. That's from that spot. What do we have here? Menus and pages. So you see all the layout of your page. You see about, services, more about me, feed, blog, and contact. Sign up and login bar also can be interesting option if you're building some kind of web online school, maybe, yeah. And permissions, let's go here to settings, and I'm gonna show you that you have a page info, you have layout, standard, or no header and footer in case if you want to build a landing page. It's better to use one simple layout, and I love to build everything on one simple layout without all those navigations to other pages. And here are permissions, like for everyone, for password holders, or for members only. In case if you build some area just for members, that can be handy. SEO, also you can find here all the descriptions, all the name of the page, and how your site will be visible to search engines set here. Social share, if you want to share your link to Facebook or some other social media platform, you need to upload an image, and that how it will be displayed in Facebook. You can add page here. You can delete some pages that you don't want to be here, and you see they disappear from the main menu. All right, so we found the menu, and let's go to background. We see that there's a background. I'm gonna show it to you. You see this beautiful picture out there. Let's find some common picture maybe, and we can go to settings. We can use some maybe that color, and we can change the opacity, and you see what's happening. Yeah, the picture is changing, and that's great, and that's very easy and simple, and there are a lot of interesting pictures that you can use. So we changed the background, and this is the background of entire page. You see this parallax effect here. If you want to change a strip background, you can do it separately for each page. This is a video, and yeah, that's a video, and it's beautiful, and it looks modern and very cool. So you can apply a video here, or it can be color, image, or video, as I told you previously. One of the most interesting things about this platform, that you can move all the elements around in the shape that you want. Like, you can move things around all over the surface of your website, and this is pretty great because a lot of other platforms not allows you to do that, and you just can put some elements inside of some specific area, yeah, or it made like with the difficulties. Here everything is pretty simple. Like, if you want to manage the tags, you just double click on it, and all the things connected to the tags available for you. Also interesting thing is a theme manager. There are themes, color themes, that are already combined to be like balanced and efficient. And you see, if you hover over the options, you see that colors are changing, and maybe you like such colors, or you have such brand colors with this gamma, and just you see we just made a couple clicks and site looks different. And this is pretty cool, and this is pretty great, and I believe that can help you a lot if you found a correct template and you wanna change some colors. Just that can be amazing, just to happen with a one click. Let's go to add, and this is one of the most important parts, and this is where magic happens actually. So strips, yeah, I told you about the strips. So look at that. You can use this big strips that already pre-built, like welcome, then we can use about, then we can use services, then we can use like team if you have one, testimonials, and contact block, contact section, contact strip to contact with you. Cool, that's pretty enough. Classic one, just drag and drop it here. Let's go back, zoom out and reorder, and we see that this strip is here. We need it higher for this spot, for example. Exiting the mode. All right, we have a strip. We can stretch it, and I want a text to be here, like big title. Double click on it, changing the color. Done. I want to show the video from my YouTube channel, for example. Bam, it's done, it's in the center. and I want to add some button like order now or contact me. Done. You see how simple it is. We change the strip background, color. Which color is that? Maybe I want this color. Or I can add a custom colors. That's really simple, easy, and very, very fast. So when you will figure out that everything is built in like with couple clicks, you can build everything by yourself literally in minutes. Like one of the most important parts is also buttons. As I told you about the customization of this platform, you can make everything. Link. This is one of the most important part, because if your button's not working properly, you can count that you build a website just for fun. Because the main purpose of any landing page or website is to get the contact information, to show your business and to get the contact information from a client, from your visitor, to bring him to some purchase on your website. So you need to switch on all the buttons. And there are a lot of options: lightbox, phone number, email, document, top or bottom of the page, anchor page, web address, and none. If none, it's switched off, no link, and button will not work when somebody will press on it. So email is pretty enough, and you just type it in your email and new leads will come to your inbox. Just for example, it depends. It often depends from the type of business, from the type of the button. For example, you can there's book now or read more, and you can use an anchor, and it will be this part of the site where is about section stays. Yeah, so you just the best way to build your own page is to find the correct template and customize it a little bit, and that's pretty it. Also, if you run your business for future and for a long time, you can integrate external applications from external providers, and I'll show it to you. For example, the categories, like in marketing category, you can use MailChimp forms by MailChimp. If you have an account of MailChimp, that's pretty awesome option to insert the MailChimp forms straight to your website, and people who fulfill the form, that new leads will drop straight to your MailChimp. And if you know nothing about that, discover that, because MailChimp is really one of the best email marketing solutions available in the market for now. A lot of interesting tools like Instagram feed. If you're building your personal page, like you can insert Instagram feed, and all the updates will be displayed immediately on your page, like Twitter feed and so on. A lot of interesting tools that you can add, a lot of interesting tools that you can use to bring more life to your website and to make it more efficient than you even could imagine. That's pretty it, guys. I hope you get an idea that everything is absolutely easy and fast, and everything is happening like in seconds, and it's in 1 hour. It's pretty enough to build up your own website using those tools that I showed you. So if you want to start right now, find the link in the description panel of this video, click that link and pass the registration on the platform and start doing that, and in 1 hour you'll have your own website. And this is absolutely insane. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed, hope this was really useful. Don't forget about the links in the description. I wish you good luck in your site building performance, and hope that everything will be okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.